Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Couldn't get home to shoot a video, so I'm just going to shoot it here in the car. Two of the biggest IPOs are going to happen. One this week with SpaceX, and the other is OpenAI. Of course, we got Anthropic coming too, but OpenAI and SpaceX. Let's talk about, is it good or is it bad? One of the things that you cannot ignore is that the two biggest IPOs ever, these guys used to work with each other. Sam Altman and Elon Musk. And they worked together in OpenAI. And here they are coming now with two different companies, and they are priced. These will be the most expensive IPOs ever. Now, I'm going to come right out of the gate and tell you guys that it concerns me. SpaceX, which is IPOing this week, I think they're talking about Friday. I'm going to tell you it's good and it's bad. And unfortunately, I personally think it's a lot of bad wrapped in there. I'm going to tell you right now that I am not buying SpaceX the first day. A lot of people that's going to be buying SpaceX don't even know what they do. Don't even know the market cap. It was supposed to have been something like 780 billion, and now it's going to IPO somewhere between 1.8 to 1.9 trillion as an evaluation on the day that it IPOs, okay? Initial public offering IPO, right? And even though it's an IPO, you're going to see the day that it does IPO, maybe this Friday, that in the morning you won't be able to buy it, I won't be able to buy it, none of our friends will be able to buy it. The people that's going to make the money already bought. Then they're going to, the day that they IPO, they're not going to let you and I get it. They're going to let the whales get it. And some other big companies get it. They're going to halt it. And because they're going to be buying it half the day, then it's going to push the price up. And then when it finally gets to where you and I, the regular people, can buy it, it's going to just go to the moon. And people are going to chase SpaceX all the way up to the top with a market order. People are going to be buying SpaceX that don't even understand what a limit order and a market order is. All they know is they told me I should buy it. And I always tell you, they are going to get you wrecked. You don't even know who they are. And I'm telling you that it may go straight up. In the next 3 days, it may go straight up. But if you look at the track record of these humongous IPOs, the very first day or right out of the gate is normally not the time that you can buy it. Now, some of these brokers, if you buy it and sell it the same day, they will penalize you. You must check. Some requires you to hold them for 30 days. Some require you to hold them longer. So you have to check based on the broker that you have. And if you do sell it, you cannot participate in any future IPOs. Follow? And they only limit the amount of shares that you get. Do I want some of SpaceX? Yeah, I have to get it. I have to own some of it. But I'm going to wait. And I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just Larry telling you what I think about SpaceX. And here's one of the things that also happened on last Friday. Some of the market, we know what happened with the jobs data, right? And there's a lot of data coming this week. We'll talk about that tomorrow. But we know what happened to the job data. We know what happened to the yields. We know where we stand with interest rates, okay? They're not being lowered right now. Right? We know that much. We don't know if they're going to be a stay or if the new Fed is going to raise. But we also know that a lot of money was sucked out of the market, stocks. A lot of money was sucked out of crypto. Like there's a tripod with crypto, and one of the legs of the tripod that's been kicked from under our feet is tech. And now another one, believe it or not, is SpaceX. And there was a lot of selling and liquidating of stock Friday so people can have money to invest in SpaceX. That is too much money, too much liquidity, all coming through one funnel. It's not good for the market, good people. It's not good. If we would let it come out at its fair value, that would be something else. But because it is priced so high, I do believe that it's going to do damage to the market. Larry, is this fearful? Yep, it is. Because I'm telling you guys, sometimes something too big is not good. Just like, the distribution of wealth throughout the country. You got Elon is soon to be the first trillionaire. And that's a lot of money consolidated in one spot. Now, I'm for free markets. If he earned it, let him keep it. That's me. But it's not good for one stock to have that much liquidity going up and sucked up to it. I believe that sets the market up for a collapse. That's what I believe. That I am fearful of. And Larry, are you fearful of that? For real? I am. But now, we know that earnings have been doing good and all of this, but I'm looking at everything that's going around, layoff of jobs and all of that. I think that the market has the capacity to resolve itself, meaning that SpaceX goes up, and then the people that can get in late, they buy it, it goes up a little higher, and then I do believe it starts to bleed off and start to cool off over a period of time, finding its fair market value. I believe that that's the best thing that could happen to it. I believe that if everybody buys it and it continues to go up with that insane market cap, okay? How do you go from 780 billion to 1.8 to even 1.9 trillion? And that may go even higher if too many of us chase it. So when you got that kind of liquidity, there's numbers being thrown all over. It keeps moving, okay? When you got that much evaluation put in one company, it's inflated. It's just fluff. It's inflated. And so that is not going to be good for the stock market. So what I plan on doing is letting it IPO, let all the chasers chase, and I'm just going to wait for a pullback, and I'll start to get some. And if we start to really have a correction or a crash, I'm just going to wait until that time. But if it takes off, I bid you adieu. If it just takes off and goes to the moon, I'm happy for you. I won't be on that rocket ship. I'm just letting you guys know now. But I made my video early on Friday, and then after the video, later in the day, the NASDAQ started to fall. So we came in money moves and we started buying. We just started buying a lot. Okay, a lot of different stock, a lot of different plays. But we left, should I say I left, a bigger portion of my money still in cash. I did nibbling all over the place, probably like 15 different plays. A lot of ETFs we were buying, and we bought a little poet, like I said on yesterday. What else did we buy? We bought a lot of stuff. SOXL, that was up like 15% today. So everything we bought was up today. And then we traded live this morning. We had a lot of new people in there and a lot of first timers making money. Come and join us. That's the top link below. We will see you tomorrow, and we're going to see what this SpaceX does. If it IPOs on Friday, then by Tuesday would be the first day that I would even consider even getting in. But realistically, I'm going to wait till then. assess things, and then I may still wait for a big pullback, because a lot of people are going to be buying a lot of hype. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are going to be buying it day one as soon as you can get in, or you kind of see things like I do and you may wait. Let me know. Meanwhile, come join us in Money Moves. That's the top link below. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.